few reasons I love this treadmill is that it's very compact. It's easy to store in smaller spaces. It's easy to put up and down. You can see here I'm able to use one foot and one hand while recording to put the treadmill back to a horizontal position to start exercising. This treadmill is not super wide, so I wouldn't recommend it for someone with a super wide stance or very tall. I'm about 5'6", and this is a good size of treadmill for me. A few other things that I like about this treadmill is that it does have an incline. Not many small treadmills that I found or the walking pads have any kind of incline, so I really liked that this was smaller and had an incline. I love that you can change the speed in the incline with the handlebars, so you don't have to reach up to the screen if you're in the middle of running and need to move either setting up or down. This treadmill also has a few programs programmed into the treadmill, so you can do that before you begin. It has the safety magnet, of course, which is easy to put on, and as soon as you pull it out, the treadmill does immediately stop. I've had this treadmill for about 3 years now. I've had no issues. Like I said, I wouldn't recommend it for someone that's very tall, but if you are an average size person, this would be a good fit for you.